The food and wine experience here at Union Station is a great way to get some exposure to Schnucks exclusive own brand foods, but also we have 200 plus wines available for sampling. It's a fun experience for customers to try things that we can sell at many of our stores across our chain.
So this has been an annual event. Our customers love this event, and the last time we had it was in 2020. We didn't have the event obviously during COVID, and during that time we had several customers reach out. Everyone wanted to see, when is this coming back? And we were so worried about promoting the event, we didn't realize it would sell out with minimal promotion. So that's how popular the event is. It's an immersive experience for our customers where they get to meet founders and representatives from a lot of our suppliers.
There's a lot of people here, and we're a new product for Missouri, and I want to get them to taste it, so when they see it in the store, they're like, oh, I had that, it's delicious. It gives me touch points with the consumers, which is huge.
In our first classroom, we have more purveyors of wine, but also some higher-end food pairings, and we also provide a buffet. And it actually has a view into the aquarium here at Union Station, so you can see the otters swimming around in their tank.
I've been to a lot of wine events similar to this, but I'm impressed with the amount of wine and the variety, the number of vendors that are here. So really just looking forward to trying all of the different offerings you guys have here today.
When we go to Schnucks and I want to try a different type of wine or food, you don't know what to try. So now I'm going to see, I know that I could go to Schnucks and get it now.
I'm excited to be back amongst the energy. We have a fantastic core of volunteers from Schnucks, and then all sorts of volunteers from the vendor community who are happy to sell wine at this event.
All our wine vendors, all the food that's offered at the event is available in our stores. We have volunteers from the own brand team that were super helpful. We typically rely on our internal volunteers to work those booths. They really know our products. They're able to tell our customers about them. I want to give a huge thank you to all our volunteers that helped with this event to make it a success. Our customers love it and come back and ask for it every year. Thanks again for all your help, and we hope that you come back next year.